Big Easy Accounting is a complete accounting system using Google Sheets. It allows the user to collaborate with associates and accountants in real time. And I'll just take a couple of minutes to show you around. So here in the accounts is where you can enter or import transactions. And once you do, you would just categorize them, and then you can reconcile. And from there, you'll have accurate records to share with your associates. Now, here in the histories, you can see invoice histories in PDF form. You can make journal entries. Your reconcile histories would be here. You can do invoicing, and you can email them through your Gmail account, and you can keep track of who's paid you. Also, in the manage accounts, you can add more than one checking account or whatever you need for credit cards. You can sort the data, you can reconcile, and here's where you would do importing. And then in the manage categories, you can set up new categories. You can look up all the transactions in a particular category or subcategory. You can view any uncategorized items that you've entered. And then here are the reports. So you've got your regular reports like your balance sheet and your trial balance and your income statement. And there's a unique cash flow report here that allows you to see all of your income during the year, and you can see all your expenses, what you paid out through the year, and any money you transferred to assets or to liabilities would show up. And the year-to-date total would match to your difference in all your cash accounts here. And you can keep track of sales tax on this report. And if there's a report that you feel you want to add, you can add a sheet, and it'll show up here under My Tabs. And there's a 14-day trial, and you get that here from extensions, and you would go to add-ons. And here we have it here. But what's nice is if you want to start a new year, you can, it'll bring over all your categories and subcategories to the new year, so you don't have to enter those again. So thanks for watching.